Hey everybody, Shelly Kino, IEP consultant here, and I am about to say something. This is just my opinion. I am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice, but I believe that the federal law of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act trumps a teacher union's contract. What do I mean by that? I came out of a meetings this week where the school ended the meeting before the meeting was really over because they said, well, we're only contractually allowed to keep our staff here until whatever the time was. And I understand that. And I want to be respectful of that. So, administrators plan the meetings earlier in the day, arrange the times where it's not during a teacher's prep time. I get it. This is difficult. I know that we do not have enough people to fill the slots in a lot of districts, but that is not the child who is receiving the special education services fault or their parents who have the right to have equal participation in the development of their child's IEP. If they feel rushed and they don't feel like they're able to get through all of the parts of the IEP and give their input because we don't have enough staff to cover or I'm missing my lunch, you're pitting the parents against the teachers. Administrators, you're doing this by setting these guidelines. That sets up a bad tone for meetings. And it makes it difficult for people to feel like they can really fully discuss what needs to be written into a child's IEP. I'm not saying that every student in your district is going to need more than 45 minutes to an hour for their IEP meeting, but there will be some who quite likely are going to need more time than I literally had a meeting scheduled for 43 minutes for an annual review. And this child had a lot of complexities that needed to be fully discussed. It was a new team. It was just not enough time. And that was the one that ended the meeting because, well, contractually, I only can hold these teachers here for this amount of time. I don't ever want to push my parents to file due process, but I think the law, and again, not a lawyer, it's scrolling across the top. I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. This is just my opinion. But in other case laws that I've read about, parent participation is paramount. We have to figure out a way to make this work.